So here, you will learn the 2 basic models for building your own assistant. You will learn to write Python code for text-to-speech and speech-to-text conversion. You can then add more creativity to it to make your own cool digital assistant. So let's begin.
Hello, my dear viewers. Thanks for your precious time. You are watching Car and Tech Blaze. Please subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon to watch all latest videos at first.
So first we'll be writing code for making your PC speak text. So for this you need to install a Python module by writing in your command prompt pip install pyttsx3. Now open Python ideally and let's start writing the Python code. Make your new file and start coding. Import pyttsx3, importing the package which we just installed. So now we will be writing the code for text to speech conversion. Initializing the engine which will be speaking our text. By this line we are finding the voices present in your laptop. Generally there are 2 voices by default present in your laptop given by the Microsoft. Having found the voices, now we have to select one particular voice which we want to choose. So here I want to choose the voice of index 1. So we will write a function speak which will speak the text provided in the arguments, which is text. now we will call this function speak by providing some text which it will speak. So by this few codes you have now got how you can make your PC speak whatever text you want it to speak. So let's run it and check it. First save it by any name you want. So I save over here with name intelligence. Save. So now run it.
Hello everyone.
These are the two voices which I have printed present in my PC. Out of these two voices I have selected the second one for my use. So now our first step is done. Next we will learn to code for speech to text. Whatever you speak to your laptop will be converted to text by the following lines of code. So for this you need to install two Python packages, speech recognition provided by Google and PYAUDIO. So for installing speech recognition, go to your command prompt and type pip install speech recognition and it will get installed. Now for installing the other package PYAUDIO, you need to download that package from the link provided in the description and just go to this link and search for PYAUDIO package. Scroll down and search for it. So this is the PYAUDIO package. Download one of it from the links provided and it will get downloaded. Now having downloaded this package, you need to install it. So for installing this package in your Python, you need to just cut the package and paste it in the following folders as shown. Having pasted it, now you have to install it. So for installing it, go to your command prompt by typing it above as shown. Go to the command prompt and type pip install followed by the name of the file which you want to install. So I will just copy the name of the file which I want to install, PYAUDIO. So just copy the name of the file and paste it over here in the command prompt. So now your file will get installed. So you have installed both the packages, speech recognition and PYAUDIO, which will be required for speech to text conversion. So now let's start to code for speech to text conversion. Let us create a function for the speech to text conversion. Just follow the codes. So you can easily understand the code on your own by going through it. Now we will call that function so that it opens up the microphone and listens to the audio and then gives us the text output. So I will call this speech function. Save the file and run it.
Hello everyone.
There is some error, I'm just fixing it. You may also fix. Save it again and now run it again.
Hello everyone.
Hello my intelligent system. So our job is done. Thank you.
Please subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon.